Going to solve exercise number 3.4 আজি মই তোমালোকক exercise 3.4 কৰিম এই গুটেই চেপ্টাৰটোত টোটাল মাৰ্কস আহিব 7 গতিকে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট চেপ্টাৰ এই প্ৰশ্নটো তোমালোকক সমাধান কৰিম I am going to solve this one so covering three example that means exercise pair of linear equation in two variables from there you will get 7 marks from where it will come we don't know so that we have to practice solve so let me solve this one so this right if solve writing then you can solve by using any method যদি solve বুলি দিয়া হয় মাত্ৰ সমাধান বুলি দিয়া হয় তেতিয়াহলে তোমালোকে যিকোনো এটা মেথড ইউজ কৰিব পাৰা but here it is instruction as elimination method and substitution elimination or substitution to তোমালোকক ইয়াত দিছে গতিকে এটো মোৰ কৰিম so let this one you write solution this one you have to write this one which one you will solve this one yes so you better write this one 8 by x minus 9 by y this is equal to 1 and 10 by x plus 6 by y this is equal to 7 so you must write this one okay now so we will do simpler one আমি এটো সহজ কৰি পেলাম let ধৰো অসমীয়া লিখিলে হ'ব এটো ইংলিছত লিখিলে হ'ব let ধৰো 1 by x equal to suppose u and 1 by y this equal to v তে 1 by x to আমি u বুলি ধৰিলম আৰু যত 1 by y পাম তাক আমি v বুলি ধৰিলম this will give you easier এটা তোমালোক বহুত সহজ কৰি তুলিব চাবাচোন then this will be what therefore এটো কি হ'ব চাবাচোন প্ৰথমটো কি হ'ব 1 by this one that means 8u yes 8u minus is there minus then 9v okay 9v this equal to what 1 এটো বহুত সহজ হৈ গৈছি গল 1 ধৰা এটো ইকুয়েশন নাম্বার 1 আৰু দ্বিতীয় সমীকৰণটো কি হ'ব ইন কেস অফ সেকেন্ড ওয়ান let see 10 by x plus 6 by y this equal to 7 so we have taken as 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v so multiplying this one we will get this will be what then so eto ki hobo and aro boli likhile opora অসমী ইংরেজি দুইটা যিকোনো এটা লিখিলে হ'ব 10 u কি আছে there plus is there so you write plus there plus আছে the plus লিখা plus 6v this equal to 7 will be remain same that is equation number 2 এই বস্তুতে আমাৰ আটাইকৈ ডাঙৰ প্ৰয়োজনীয় এতিয়া সমাসন বহুত সহজ হৈ গল see this is very easy and we make it this one very easier one now to make it similar what we will do multiply this one with this one and multiply this one with this one this way also we can do that means equation 1 into 10 this implies 10 with what that means 10 here 10 you see multiply this one 80u yes minus then 10 into this one 90v this equal to 10 into this one that means 10 into this one that will be what then 10 so that is equation number 3 eto সমীকৰণ number 3 হ'ব বৰ উজু তোমালকে অকমান ধ্যান দিছাবা now equation 2 into this one multiply here okay then it will be what see 8 this equal to what that means this implies you can write it will boduli ami likhisu this rotating this one that means instead of this one we will write this one okay from here we are getting that will be what 80 u that will be plus then 8 into 6 this will be what that means this one 48 okay 48 into v this equal to 8 into this one that means this into this one okay this will be what 56 yes or no yes 56 definitely 56 be careful in this case multiplying dividing subtracting adding everything you have to be careful now see that is equation number 4 so this part is equal so if you subtract this one from this to this one then that will be negative that will be negative that will be negative then this and this will be cancelled okay so let me do this one 80u minus 90v equal to 10 okay then 80u plus 48v equal to 56. Okay, so subtracting this one, this is equation 3, this is equation 4. Subtract means here will be minus, here will be minus, here will be minus. Definitely this and this will be cancelled, and here this is minus, this is minus, so this will be what then? 8, this one 8, 12. Okay, not 12, 13, that is 13. Yes, then this will be what? Minus, and v is there, v, and this is what? Minus, and here plus, so definitely that will be what? Minus. Subtract this one, 6 will come there, then 4, 46. So cancelling this one, you will get this one. Okay, this is not harder one. So this one you can write equation 3, simply you can write minus 4. This implies, অর্থাৎ সমীকৰণ 3 পৰা 4 আমি বিয়োগ কৰিলে আমি কি পাম? এটো কি হ'বগে? ডাইৰেক্ট এটো ইয়াত তোমালকে চাই লবা। দিস ইউ হ্যাভ টু চেক দিস ওয়ান, মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ওয়ান। এটো খুব ধুনিয়াকে চাবা। হলে দিস ইমপ্লাইজ what? v equal to what? This equal to 46/138. এটো হ'বগে। এটো আমি ক্যান্সেল কৰি দিলে কি হ'ব? এটো once times হ'ব, and this will what? How many times will go? 3 times will go. 3 এটো ডিভাইড কৰিলে কিমান? 3 times যাব। ওকে, এটো চাবাচোন 3 16, 3 4 12 plus 1 13. Definitely am I to correct 1/3. Therefore v equal to what? 1/3. 1/3 তোমালকে পাবা। So now you will write this one. Simply you can write, see, minus 138v equal to minus 46. Cancel this one, both side cancel. Okay, this implies we required value of v equal to what then? 46/138. So 146 are 146, then 346 are what? This one. So now we have got the value of v equal to what? 1/3. So 1 place is over. So v means what? V means what? You see, v means what? This one, 1/y. V means what? 1/1. So you can write therefore 1/y equal to 1/3. So this implies we require the value of y. Y equal to what? Do cross multiplication, then this equal to what will become? 3. Okay, so this is what, like that you see 1 3 y, this equal to 1/3. This one, this one, this one, this one, then y 3. Okay, okay, mind it. Now putting the value v, you write putting the value v in equation, which one you want to? 1 we have. এটা v মানটো 1 নং সমীকৰণত বহুৱাই আমি পাওঁ। 1 নং সমীকৰণটো কি আছিল? 1 নং সমীকৰণটো চোৱা। What is the one equation? This one, 8u minus 9v equal to 1. So you write there. So this equal to 8u, okay, minus what is there? 9v minus 9 into v means what here? This one, what? 3. Okay, 3 means what? You can write 1/3 also, you can write 1/3, 1/3. This one v equal to 1/3. So this equal to what then? What is given? 1. Be careful, from equation we are getting 1. Okay, so this implies what you will get? 8u equal to, so 3 3s are 9, then after then this will 3 3s are 9, so this will go there, and it will make what? 1 plus 3, that is minus, here plus. Okay, eto ki hobo? 8u minus 9 into 1/3, this equal to 1. Gusi gol 3. Yes, cancel. It 8 কিমান থাকিব? minus 3 থাকিব, that will be minus 3. আৰু এটো ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰি দিয়া ইফালে, কোনো ডাঙৰ কথা নহয় এটো। So this implies what will be then? U equal to what? We need 4/8. This equal to what? 1/2, half. 1 to this one, 2 4s are 8. Okay, that is half. Therefore you write, therefore you write what you will let? 1/u equal to what then? Half. So like before, u equal to what? U equal to 2. Okay, that is your answer. So sir, roots will be what then? What then? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay, হোপ ইউ আৰ আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং প্ৰপাৰলি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যদি গণিত আহে তোমালোকে কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা আৰু এইবিলাকত 3 নম্বৰ দিব আৰু এটা মনত ৰাখিবা যদি অনলি সলভ বুলি দিয়ে ইফ ইট উইল গিভ অনলি সলভ নো মেনশ্যনিং এনি মেথড সাপোজ ইলিমিনেশ্যন সাবষ্টিটিউশ্যন ক্ৰছ মাল্টিপ্লিকেশ্যন দেন ইউ কেন ডু এজ ইউৰ উইচ অ'কে তোমালোকৰ ইচ্ছা অনুসৰি কৰিব পাৰা